What causes black smoke out of the tailpipe? Welcome to Mercy J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith, Master Certified Technician. Now, first of all, I want to say we're just talking about gasoline engines today. We're not talking about diesels. So basically, there's not a lot that can cause black smoke. Black smoke is pretty much going to be caused by too much fuel. And not way too much fuel, because way too much fuel, believe it or not, can cause white smoke, which I didn't mention in a previous video. But a little too much fuel causes black smoke. Could be anything from a fuel injector, if you have a carbureted car, a carburetor problem. It could even theoretically come from an emission issue, but typically that's not the case. But if you see black smoke, it's pretty much you're wasting your money because you're getting pretty bad fuel economy probably. Hope this answers your question. Until next time, blessings to you and safe travels.